Anybody feel warm in here? You know, like hot, like summertime?
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. Something like this.
Man, these are colorful. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. If you haven't, you know all the stuff this YouTubers say. We ain't got to do that every video. Today we are reviewing the Nike Sun Club Dunk. And it's a lot of these things. It's like a whole club. A Sun Club. But what I actually like about these dunks, man, is that you can actually get them for retail. And with the SB game so crazy, like sometimes the SB only come out in a skate shop. Sometimes you just gotta know somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody. With the Sun Club joints and a couple of other just regular dunks, you can actually get your hands on them, and that's what I like, guys. I like people to be able to acquire the things they want to acquire, man. So this one right here has the sun on it and whole bunch of colors, guys. So we got to get into an in-depth review on these right now. Unboxing time. Boom. So you know, whenever you see this brown Yeezy looking box that says Move to Zero is Nike's journey towards zero carbon, it's made from recycled material, the sneaker inside. And I showed y'all plenty of these. I'll try to find some and put them up there. But I showed y'all plenty of sneakers made from the Move to Zero situation. But you have a brown box, black top, with the right end, and you know, all the recycled things. Nike is trying to tell you they're trying to do better with the earth. With this dope Nike recycled logo. I love this logo, guys. When you open the box, you got a regular white tissue paper, a little thin. You can tell they're trying to like save the world, the earth, because this paper is thin, man. It's not your thick paper you usually get. And on the label it reads Nike Dunk Low Retro SENN. Colors are Arctic Orange, Sanded Gold. And this right here is the right side of the Sun Club Dunk. And as you can see, the outside looks nothing like the inside. Crazy shoe, guys. So let's start with the outside. You got a nice pink backing of like a, I don't even know what kind of green or yellow, a mustard seed swoosh I'm going to go with, because it's like light green or light yellow, but that pink makes it pop, man. And this pink is so dope that you can tell the difference between this pink and this pink on the toes. Now, it may be the same color, but when the light hits it, the pink on the toes do look lighter. So you can see that. Now let's go back here. But I think it's more of a material thing. Like, I think this material is thicker. I'm not sure. Y'all help me out in the comment section below, man. That's why I love you guys. But yeah, the toe box is also pink. And around it is like that nice green material. And the green is so like tumbled that it kind of gives you reptile vibes because of the color. So as you can see all the tumbledness in that leather. And it's crazy because if this leather is made from recycled material, they did great with this. So now as we go into the inside, you got a nice blue with a nice lighter baby blue swoosh. And the swoosh here feels nubuck suede. But as the inside is canvas and, you know, recycled material. This is a nice swoosh, guys. So if you come around here, that's when you get more of like that green apple green there. On top of a dark green. As you notice, there's no Nike logo here that you usually see on the Dunk. But you do have the Sun Nike logo there with the palm tree. If you look real closely at the bottom, you can see like them sparkles there, them little paint chip drips. That's how you could tell it's made from recycled material. You usually get those color paint drips, knowing that it's made from recycled material. But another highlight of this sneaker, man, it has to be that Nike Sun Club tag on the tongue. I don't know. I think it's the font that gets me. I like that cut out dotted font look. And looks like, you know, like a child wrote it. Nice little mini swoosh there. I don't know. I really like this, man. Let me know if y'all like that tag. And then also the tongue is canvas too. And these pink shoelaces looks like a hype sneaker that we all wanted. Some of us do own, but it does give you those vibes. Inside is also that green apple colorway, and that has that Nike recycled logo inside of it. The bottom is green also, and if you've seen one Nike Dunk, Jordan 1, Air Force 1 bottom, you've seen them all, but you can tell this one is made from recycled material as I showed y'all earlier. So guys, I have both shoes in hand. Both shoes seem to add up. The same. Nothing's different on both shoes. So no magic. Yeah, family. So let me know how y'all feel about these Nike Sun Club joints. They definitely just in time for the summer. This is definitely a summer shoe. And the way they kind of constructed the colorway and the playfulness of the colors, I can see why some of them are like woman size, woman exclusive. This one here is actually regular size, well, men's size. So you don't have to go up to that woman's size if you're a man trying to get the sneaker. But most of them are woman's size, and I think it's because of the colorways that they're trying. But this one here, even though it has a lot of pink, the inside does have a lot of blue. So I can see the unisex in this sneaker, man. Again, priced at $110. Foot Locker has it. JD Sports has them. Your size might be the problem, but they're definitely in stock. But if you want to go to the third-party market, StockX has these for about $130, $125. So it's not that big of a deal, guys. Let me know what's your favorite part of the shoe. I do wish they made like one side pink, one side blue, like a, like a ginger reveal or something. But I like the sneaker, man. I really want to know how y'all feel about these. Shout out to Nike for caring for the earth, man, again with this recycled material situation and still giving us something fire like this, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Hold on, let me I didn't even show y'all the back. The back of the tongue has like some palm tree situation going on. I just seen this, guys. I told y'all this was my favorite part of the sneaker and never looked in the back. That's crazy. Wow, that's crazy, man. Designed in Beaverton, Oregon. You know, the off-white situation. But I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.